Good morning, third grade. I just want to go over Chapter 11, Test Review. Under Vocabulary, it says you can find perimeter of a shape by adding the lengths of the side. You can find the area of a rectangle by multiplying the number of units in each row by the number of rows. And you can find in unit squares to find the area of a shape. Number 4 says draw a line to break apart the shapes into rectangles and find the area of the shape. If I drew a line right here, I would have 4 times 4 equals 16. 2 times 5 equals 10. 16 plus 10 is 26. On rectangle 2, I'm going to have 2 times 6 equals 12, and 2 times 3 equals 6. 12 plus 6 equals 18. And number 6 says find the perimeter and the area. Tell which rectangle has a greater area. Perimeter A is 14 units and the area is 12 units. Perimeter B is 14 units as well, but the area is only 10 units. So rectangle A has a greater area. Peter drew this rectangle. Which multiplication equation can be used to find the area? 4 times 7 equals 28. Letter D. Susan cuts a piece of fabric with side lengths of 3 feet and 8 feet. What is the perimeter of the piece of fabric? It would be 8 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3, which is 22. Which rectangle has the greatest area? Well, rectangle B, 1, 2, 3, 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4 is 16, so it has the largest area. Jacob built a wood box with a perimeter of 70 inches. What is the length of side M? Well, 20 plus 20, or 10 plus 10 is 20, and we minus that from 70 and we get 50. And so we know we have 50 inches we have to cover with two sides, and the two sides are equal, so which leaves 25 plus 25. So C, it's 25. What is the area of the shape shown? Each square is 1 square foot. If you count them, it's 23 square foot. The next one says Alfredo used the distributive property to find the area of this rectangle. Which set of multiplication and addition equations could be used? Our answer is C. 4 times 5 equals 20, 4 times 5 equals 20, or 20 plus 20 equals 40. What is the area of the shape? 8 units. 2 times 4 is 8. What is the perimeter of the shape? Each unit is 1 centimeter. 18 centimeters. Which statement is true about the two rectangles? A. The area of rectangle B is double the area of rectangle A. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. On our constructed response, it says Anthony wants to make 2 gardens, each with an area of 24 feet. He will buy boards to go around each garden. The garden has side lengths that are whole numbers. Draw 2 of the possible gardens. Which garden will use fewer boards? I did one garden, 1 row of 24, and one garden, 3 by 8. A has a perimeter of 50. B has a perimeter of 22. B will use fewer boards. Mr. Wicks designs houses. He is using grid paper to plan a new house design. The kitchen will have an area of 70 square feet and 80 square feet, so somewhere in between 70 and 85 square feet. The pantry will have an area between 4 feet and 15 square feet. Draw and label a diagram to show what Mr. Hicks could design. Find the area of the kitchen. Find the area of the pantry. I drew the pantry 2 by 3, which is 6 feet, and I drew the area of the kitchen 8 feet by 9 feet. which is a square total of 72 feet. 6 plus 72 is 78 square feet. Now that's just one example. You could have other sizes as long as your area doesn't go above 85 feet and your pantry has to be between 4 and 15 square feet. On Monday, we will continue with the last chapter in your book, Chapter 12. Thank you. Have a good weekend.